Number 1.
1986 Toyota Pickup, price $7,900. It has been driven approximately 113,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Finished in red with a tan interior, this classic pickup is powered by a carbureted 22-or engine that runs and drives great. The truck was stored from 2012 until about a year ago and has since been driven approximately 3,500 miles after receiving the necessary maintenance to return it to reliable condition. The truck completed extensive servicing, including a new head gasket, rebuilt carburetor, new starter, fuel pump, transmission service, brake pads, and several other mechanical updates. It has also been upgraded with LED headlights, LED gauge lights, custom visors, and a replacement radio, while the original radio and cassette player are included. The truck-heavy undercoating has helped preserve the frame and body, both of which remain in excellent condition, and an aluminum topper is included with the truck.
Number 2.
1996 Ford F250, price $10,000. It has been driven approximately 150,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in green with a tan interior, this diesel-powered pickup is equipped with the legendary 7.3L Power-Stroke engine. The truck has been well maintained and remains in excellent running condition with no oil leaks. The truck has been upgraded with a full LED lighting conversion, an edge revolver tuner, and a Bluetooth-compatible audio system featuring new front and rear speakers along with a hands-free radio. It is also equipped for heavy-duty work with a 16,000-pound receiver hitch, fifth-wheel rails, rear airbags, front Timbrand suspension enhancements, and a Boss plow setup.
The transmission was rebuilt approximately 5,000 miles ago and paired with a new torque converter for improved reliability.
Additional features include a tonneau cover, running boards, a plastic bed liner, and 18x10 XD wheels.
Number 3.
2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,450, powered by a strong 5.9L V8 gasoline engine producing 250 horsepower. This Tuck Club cab delivers dependable performance and is paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. The truck has been driven approximately 129,000 miles and is finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior.
Equipped with a 2-wheel drive drivetrain and a practical 6-foot bed.
The engine runs strong, the transmission performs exactly as it should, and the truck has no fluid leaks or warning lights, reflecting its excellent mechanical condition. This Dodge Ram is reported to be in 10 out of 10 mechanical condition and 9 out of 10 cosmetic condition, showing that it has been well maintained over the years. It comes with a clean title and has recently passed a smog inspection, making it ready for its next owner. Additional highlights include a brand new set of tires, ice-cold air conditioning, and factory cruise control for added comfort on longer trips.
Number 4.
1995 Ford F250, price $7,500. It has been driven approximately 110,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a brown interior, this gasoline-powered pickup is powered by the reliable 4.9-liter inline-six engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. It remains in excellent survivor condition with its original paint and original interior, making it an honest, unrestored truck that runs, drives, and shifts smoothly without any known mechanical issues. Recent maintenance includes new tires, a new battery, and fresh engine, transmission, brake, and radiator fluids. The truck also features cold air conditioning and power steering for added driving comfort. While it presents very well, prospective buyers should note that the odometer lens has delaminate, making the exact mileage difficult to verify. The wing windows require new seals or latches, and there is minor wind noise from the driver's door at highway speeds.
Number 5.
1993 Nissan Pickup, price $4,900. It has been driven approximately 240,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in red with a gray interior, this pickup offers a simple, reliable driving experience and continues to run and drive great. It comes with a clean title in hand, a current smog check, and registration that is valid through September 2026. Although the truck has some exterior dents, they are purely cosmetic and do not affect its overall performance or drivability. Its strong mechanical condition, dependable manual drivetrain, and complete documentation make it a practical choice for anyone looking for a classic, budget-friendly pickup that is ready to be driven and enjoyed.
Number 6.
1998 Ford F-150, price $6,988. It has been driven approximately 124,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a gray interior, this well-maintained pickup comes with 24 documented service records, a clean title, and a clean vehicle history report. Previously owned in Watsonville, California, it has successfully passed a smog inspection, making the transfer of ownership straightforward. The truck runs and drives exceptionally smoothly, with the automatic transmission shifting properly and the air conditioning operating as it should. The interior has been exceptionally well cared for and remains in near-new condition, while the exterior shows only minor surface scratches consistent with its age. Overall, this F-150 presents itself as a clean, reliable, and well-preserved example that is ready for its next owner.
Number 7.
1988 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,750, powered by a dependable 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This truck offers strong performance and smooth driving characteristics. This gasoline-powered regular cab longbox 2WD pickup has been driven approximately 127,000 miles and is finished in a burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior. The truck runs and drives great, delivering reliable performance for daily use or weekend cruising. The GMC Sierra 1500 is in very good condition with no visible rust and has been well maintained. It comes equipped with cold air conditioning, cruise control, and power windows, with all features working as they should. The truck also includes a new set of tires, making it ready for its next owner to enjoy.
Number 8.
1999 Ford F250, price $5,500. It has been driven approximately 194,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a tan interior, this gasoline-powered pickup is powered by a dependable 5.4L engine paired with a capable 4x4 drivetrain.
It has a clean title and is ready for its next owner.
The truck runs and drives great, with everything working properly as it should. It has been well equipped for both work and everyday use, featuring a comfortable interior, tinted windows, a backup camera, and a nice stereo system for added convenience. The air conditioning system works great, providing reliable comfort in all conditions. This F250 is built as a practical and capable work truck, featuring an 8-foot-long bed with a durable bedliner and a tow hitch for hauling and towing needs.
It has been smogged and registered, making it ready for the road. With its strong 4x4 capability, spacious bed, reliable 5.4L gasoline engine, and solid overall condition, this 1999 Ford F250 represents a dependable classic truck that is ready to serve its next owner for years to come. Number 9.
2001 Ford F-150, price $2,800. It has been driven approximately 211,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in burgundy with a tan interior, this gasoline-powered pickup is powered by a reliable 5.4L V8 engine. The truck runs and drives very well and has been regularly used by its owner as a daily driver without any major issues. It delivers smooth transmission shifts and has no known significant mechanical problems. The truck features a cold air conditioning system and remains in good overall condition for its age. The interior and exterior are both fairly clean, although it does show some normal signs of wear and tear from years of use. It is a dependable and practical pickup that is ready for continued use, though it would benefit from a new set of tires in the near future.
Number 10.
2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $3,850. It has been driven approximately 168,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in black with a black interior, this gasoline-powered pickup is powered by a 5.9L V8 engine and features a capable 4x4 drivetrain with the off-road package. The truck offers strong performance and off-road capability, making it a solid choice for those looking for a classic full-size pickup.
It does have some known issues, including a cracked dashboard, a non-functioning air conditioning system, and some rust in certain areas.
Despite these imperfections, this Dodge Ram 1500 remains a dependable truck with plenty of potential for its next owner.